Great morning, everyone. Great morning. Today we are here to perform an activity in which we are going to observe the magnetic field line of a magnet. For this experiment, we need a bar magnet. It has two poles, south and north poles. And we need some iron fillings to observe the magnetic field lines. Now, what I'm going is, I will sprinkle this iron over the magnet and we will observe the magnetic field lines. Bring it close. Everybody watch it carefully. See, you can see the magnetic field lines of this magnet. As we know, this is the north pole and this is south pole. Magnetic field line used to move from north pole to south pole. And you can see here, the magnetic lines are dense on both the poles and lesser on the center of the magnet. Now, these are the magnetic field lines of a bar magnet. I have another bar magnet. Hold it. As everybody know about that, like poles repel each other and unlike pole attract each other. Now we will see, this is north pole, this is south. Firstly, we will see how same poles repel each other and how opposite poles attract each other. Now see, hold it. This is south pole and this is also south pole. Bring it close to it. You can see it is repelling. See, it is repelling. But when I change this side, north and south, it is attracting. See, it is attracting. But again, when I change the pole, it is repelling. Right? So this is proof that like poles repel each other and unlike pole attracts each other. Hope you like the activity. Thank you.